Viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show another problem which is games. First of all, we have to read the question. Here you can see Mano was on his sport TV. He is spent much time watching the football games of some country. After a while, he began to notice different patterns. For example, each team has two sets of uniforms, home uniform and guest uniform. When a team plays a game at home, the players put on the home uniform. When a team plays a guest on somebody else's stadium, the players put on the guest uniform. The only exception to that rule is when the home uniform color of the host team matches the guest uniform, the host team puts on his guest uniform as well. For each team, the color of the home and guest uniform is different. There are n teams taking part in the individual champions. The championship consists of n 10 minus 1 games. Each team invites each other team to its stadium. At this point, Manu wondered how many times during the championship is a host team going to put the guest uniform on the guest uniform. Note that the order of the games does not affect this number. You know the color of the home and guest uniform for each team. For simplicity, the colors are numbered by integers in such a way that no two distinct colors have the same number. Help Manu find the answer to this question. Input. The first line consists of an integer. Each of the following n lines contains a pair of space separated integers. The colors of the team's home and guest uniform respectively are put in a single line. Print the number of games where the host team is going to play in the guest uniform. Here you can see the examples. First examples, you can see in 3 and then 1 2 2 4 and 3 4 and the output is 1. And in the second example you can see 400 and 42 100 4 5 and 42 105 and the answer is 5. And then you can see in the last input is 2 1 2 and 1 to 0. Note in the first case championship consists of 6 games. The only game with the event is in the game between teams 2 and 1 and stadium of team 2. In the second test sample, the host team will have to wear guest uniform. In the games between teams 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 2, the host team is written first. So first of all we have to go over replete. So here we already have class, main class and scanner class and also package. So first of all we have to take a integer input from our user. So we write int and is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to write we have to declare two array in our. So we write int array is equal to new int of n, and then again we have copied this and paste into the second line because we declare two array. So here we paste and then here we change the variable name. Here we write int array of 1. So after that we have to run a for loop for taking input from our user, for taking array input from our user. So we have to write for, and here we take another variable which is I that f should be integer and I is initialized by 0. So we write int I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. So after that we have to write array of I is equal to ac dot next in, and then we have to write copy this line and paste to the second line, and then change the variable which is array of 1, and after that we have to copy this loop for loop and paste here, and remove these input statement of array here from here, and then again we have to paste this. So we have to paste the loop again here. So here we, and then we remove those arrays from here. So here we change our variable which is here we write j, and if here we write a condition, here we write if array of I is equal to array 1 of j, so here we have to write c++. So here we have to take another variable, another integer which is c, and user type should be integer and it should be initialized by 0, and then we have to write output statement which is system.out.println, and into the bracket we have to write c, and then we have to run our program. Before that we go our question and copy those examples. So here you can see we have to run our program and then paste the example here. Here you can see we paste our examples here, so you can see 2120, and then again we run our program, and then we paste in this second example, so you can see the answer output is 5, and again at the last point we again paste this, and here you can see the answer is 1. So after that we select our, we copy our code and go to our example, and then we have to go to the submit code and choose a problem which is games and paste here or paste the code here and press into the submit button and wait for a few seconds. and then you can see it's accepted. If you understand this video, like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.